What's up, YouTube? Got to make a little school project here. So what I did is I'm going to use the power of electrolysis and to power this CPU fan. So basically what electrolysis is, I'll take a 9-volt battery such as this one right here, just basic. I'll connect the wires to the positive and negative posts of the battery, fill this up to the level of the wires, or submerge them with water, and the battery with its power will separate the hydrogen and oxygen from the water. Now this red cable, which I'll put on the positive, will give me oxygen, and this yellow cable, which I'll put on the negative, will give me hydrogen. And the plan is to collect the hydrogen, pump it up this tube, and then spin this nice little CPU fan. That's the intent of the project. So we'll see how it works. Now then, as previously stated, we are making a hydrocell. As you can see, we have our 2 wires, and when connected to a battery, we'll separate hydrogen and oxygen. So I'll be using my airsoft gun battery here, just for all intents and purposes. And a red wire I want to hook to the positive side, which will separate and provide with the oxygen. And then our yellow wire, which will hook up to the negative, and that'll make hydrogen. As you can see, the bottle is a bit cloudy because I did add some salt. Perhaps you can see that on video that it is producing hydrogen. I'll just zoom in a bit here so perhaps you almost have a chance at seeing it. And we'll reconnect our battery. Now, I don't know if that comes out on camera or not, because the bottle does appear to be a bit cloudy after I added that salt, but it does work. And of course the whole purpose of this is I'm going to try and power this CPU fan off of the hydrogen that'll be coming up from this tube. So that's my setup, and yeah, we're going to see how it works. So I have a feeling it's not going to, but you know. Let me see here if I just pull you guys back a little bit here. It'll work better. Now, to run this for school, instead of using this little 7-volt airsoft battery, I have 4 9-volts that I will connect together. Now then, we just going to take this little nifty alligator clip that I got here and twist this so I should be able to clip right on my positive, so I don't have to hold it. We'll clip that on, and then we'll hook up our negative, and we will see how it's working. Appears to be providing quite a rapid amount of hydrogen. Which probably is not going to power this fan. Yeah, because I can't sense really anything blowing out. So, well, I'm going to have to adjust my design a little bit and see if I can get it to work. Well, since the wonderful hydrocell did not produce enough hydrogen to blow said fan, because it does require a fair amount of movement, as you can see, I've added a cork so that it can build pressure. So If we let that, run for, I don't know, half hour, day and a half, we might get someplace. But we'll see.